Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, 17th November. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. If we see the overall open interest data for this weekly expiry series, 18th November weekly series, you will see that broadly speaking, we are trading in a range of 18,200 to 17,800. So it's a 400 point range, and highest amount of open interest in puts is currently at 18,000 put strike, followed by 17,800 put strike. So we are likely to see strong support around 17,800 on the index, and highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 18,100 strike and 18,200 call strike. So 18,100 and 18,200 are likely to act as strong resistances. And if we see the change in open interest data, what happened intraday today on 16th November, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition happened at calls in 18,100 call strike, followed by 18,000 call strike. And you will also observe that we saw open interest reduction in puts, in the money put strikes like 18,200 put strike, 18,100 put strike, 18,000 put strike, and 17,950 put strike. So based on the price action, it just tells us that put option buyers, they have booked their profits, and put option writers, they have booked their losses. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, here you will see that on the monthly time frame, we are currently under control of buyers, as we are the monthly market is trading above the monthly open of 17,783 level. And if you see the overall structure on the monthly time frame, this month we are forming an inside monthly candlestick. That is, there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers in the market, as we are trading in between the previous month high low range. So but for our analysis purposes, we would say that on the monthly time frame, market is currently under control of buyers above 17,783 levels. And if we see the weekly time frame, you will see that we are trading below the weekly open of 18,140.95 level. So straight away here you can see there is conflict between the monthly and the weekly time frame. Hence we have formed an inside candle on the larger time frame monthly, because there is conflict between the monthly and the weekly time frame. And if we see the daily time frame, the price structure, you will see that we had been forming higher highs, higher low. So today we have broken that uptrending structure. So now we have made a lower low and a lower high. So it's the start of a potential new downtrend in the market. So based on this price structure, we get the following scenario for tomorrow, 17th November. Above 17,999 levels, we can trade towards 18,132 levels, 18,179 levels, and potentially 18,238 levels. And below 17,958, which is today's lows, we can potentially trade tomorrow towards 17,852 levels and potentially 17,784 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is 17,999 to 17,958 levels. So in the neutral price range, one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Finally, before ending this video, I would like to inform you that before 10 p.m. tonight, I would be sharing a blog post in which I would be sharing long short bias stock watch list, which I would be trading, and I would be sharing that link on my Twitter account, on my LinkedIn account, and right now on the long side we only have one stock, Whirlpool, and on the short side we have multiple stocks. So I would be scanning all the stocks again, and I would be sharing the long short biased before 10 p.m. tonight. And I like to summarize that tomorrow above 17,999 we can potentially trade towards 18,179 level, and below 17,958 we can potentially trade towards 17,784 levels. And broadly speaking, we're in a 400 point range on the index of 18,200 to 17,800, and the option max pain for this weekly series is currently at 18,000 levels. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up and share this video, and subscribe to this channel for more content related to financial markets. Thank you for watching.